Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $400? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D printer comes with a large build volume of 19.7 by 16.5 x 16.5 in/500 by 420 by 420 mm HWD, capable of printing models with a volume of around 88 liters in one go. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Full-size printing of the same model, compared to similar products on the market with a printing speed of 50 mm per second, printing time is shortened by 77 hours 42 minutes. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, it provides strong computing power for faster calculations, execution of commands motor control, resulting in 10 times faster printing. By using direct extruder and a dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and fewer visible layer lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. After upgrading the printer firmware to version 3.0.5 or above, the ANYCUBIC app offers support for various features, including online model library search, real-time video supervision and status monitoring, online slicing and printing, time-lapse recording, as well as remote control and management. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3KE 3D Printer. Responsive touch all with an intuitive tab bar. Smart self-test for Z offset auto leveling, and more with just one tap. Real-time model preview, and vivid motion graphics of printing parameters. Each side of the printhead has a model cooling fan. Together, they cool the freshly printed section rapidly and evenly. Now, your prints are always in good shape. The precise linear rail on the x-axis has a carriage slide containing ball bearings, making each move accurate, steady and frictionless. 0.04 friction coefficient *. Built out of stiff steel, it will stay as new even after long time use. 60W ceramic heater, able to fully melt filaments for high-speed printing. Bimetal, copper plus titanium alloys. Heat break, effectively preventing thermal creep. Copper nozzle, enabling 300 degrees C * printing. Number 3. ZONESTAR Z8PM4 Pro 3D Printer. This 3D printer is equipped with 4 extruders with 4 in1 out mix color hot end, support to print multicolor 3D object, and this kit built-in automatic color mixing feature. It can convert a single color 3D print G-code file to a gradient color 3D object. Prusa Slicer is recommended for this item. Prusa Slicer is an open-source, free slicing software. It can not only support the slicing of multicolor 3D models, but also color any area of the 3D model file and assign any extruder to print it. This way, you can print any 3D model files into multicolor 3D objects. This item is equipped with V-slot profiles and pulley movement parts and uses the classic XYZ 3-axis motion system, 32-bit control board, and TMC silent stepping motor drivers. It features a simple structure, high printing accuracy, and low working noise. This item adopts a 4.3 TFT LCD display screen and graphical menu interface and supports menus in 5 languages. It is easy to operate and fast to respond to. This item is equipped with all popular 3D printer advanced functions such as automatic leveling, automatic recovery after a power failure, automatic shutdown after printing, etc. This item has a maximum effective printing volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, which is suitable for most objects that need to be printed. Furthermore, the base size of the machine is only 560 mm * 560 mm, which can be conveniently placed on the office desktop. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max Multicolor FDM 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max combo has an ultra-large print volume of 420 mm x 420 mm x 500 mm, enabling effortless creation of full-scale models like helmets, castles, and oversized 3D printed reliefs in multiple colors. with seamless printing that ensures the integrity of your creations. When printing in bulk, the large printing size of the ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Max combo enables more models to be printed in each batch, reducing the overall number of printing cycles. This will save time and conserve materials when printing multicolor models in mass production. The Skip Objects function is supported by three ends: the app, slicing software, and printer. By utilizing AL recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. This feature helps prevent material wastage and ensures that subsequent models can be printed successfully. The ACE Pro supports standard 4-color printing. By pairing two ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. By pairing two ACE Pros to conveniently store multiple spools of filaments in the same color series. The ACE Pro can swiftly convert into a backup filament box for seamless feeding. 4 spools of filament in different color series. Organize them by color for easy access and avoid frequent spool changes. Number 5. Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer. The new direct drive extruder is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio and stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing, which greatly reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. Printing effect is better than Bowden extruder. Compatible with multiple filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The nozzle kit contains a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heat sink structure, and a brass nozzle. The widened aluminum heat sink paired with a front close-fitting efficient cooling fan for a better heat dissipation effect and lower the temperature of the throat pipe, thereby reducing the possibility of nozzle clogging. Auto bed leveling adopts a high-precision sensor to automatically scan 36, 6x6 points of the hotbed and collect data in real time, and then adjust the Z-axis height to compensate for any irregularities and unevenness of the printing platform, only applicable to metal printing platforms. The printer will auto-pause when the filament runs out or breaks, and you can resume printing after a power outage.